Okay, this is for Algebra 2. We're still adding and subtracting matrices. Presenting it to you a little different today, but what you do is the same as what we did yesterday. They tell you that the A matrix is 5, 4, -3, -8, 19, 12, 6, -1, 8. And the B matrix is 2, 3, -9, 12, 34, -7, 1, -5, 7. And then it tells you to find A minus B. So you're taking the first one minus the second one. That's all there is to it. It just looks a little different, okay? So you're going to have a matrix. It's still going to be a 3 by 3. So you're going to say, you can either go through and do your leave change opposite, make the addition and change all the signs, or you can say 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, -3 minus -9 is 6, -8 minus 12 is -20. 19 minus 34 is going to be -15. 12 minus -7 is going to be 19. 6 minus 1 is 5. -1 minus -5 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. So now they give you A and B and they want you to add them. So it's just take your corresponding terms and add them. 16 plus -5 is 11. 35 plus 4 is 39. -10 plus 6 is -4. And 18 plus 9 is 27. So once again, you just read over here and they want you to add them. So -7 plus 2 is -5. 4 plus -9 is -5. 12 plus 13 is 25. 8 plus 17 is 25. -16 plus 4 is -12. 5 plus 23 is 28. 12 plus 41 is 53. -4 plus 5 is 1. And 9 plus -6 is 3. That's your answer. They want us to add. So 6 plus 12 is 18. 12 plus 7 is 19. -5 plus 31 is 26. -2 plus 3 is 1. 8 plus 9 is 17. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 20 is 24. 9 plus 5 is 14. And -11 plus -8 is -19. Keep in mind that in order to add or subtract, your two matrices have to be the same dimensions. They're both 3 by 3. Your answer will be the same dimensions as the problem is. So don't rearrange them or rewrite them or do anything like that. If you started out, I'll change colors so you don't get confused with the problem. If you started out with something that was 3, 2, minus 1, 8, your answer is not going to be 2, -6. See how these are going across and this is going up and down? It's not going to work that way. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 8 is -6, but they're still going across. Does that make sense? So as I look through at your assignment, I don't see anything major happening here. Okay, just make sure you look very carefully to see what they want you to do, add or subtract. Okay. Remember that if they're all going across here, they're all going to be going across when you write your answer. If they're all up and down here, they're all going to be up and down when you write your answer. Okay, it's not difficult, a little bit tedious because there's a lot of them. If you have 3 terms, it's still no big deal. Okay, you can either combine these two and then, or you can go across. If you go with all of them at once, just be careful. -1 plus 8 minus 3. Punch all that in your calculator if you want. Or do it in your head. -1 plus 8 is 7, minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11, minus 2 is 9. 3 plus -6 is -3. -3 minus 7 is -10. 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 4 is 3. Okay, so don't let it confuse you if there's 3 different matrices. It all still works the same. Not seeing anything else that looks out of the ordinary as I go through here. So I think you'll be fine. Do the best you can, make sure and turn it in. If you haven't finished anything, get all of your work caught up. We're getting really close to the end of 3 weeks.